Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set up my card in contacts on iPhone. So if you updated your iPhone to iOS 17, now you can create or make my card in just few steps. Just follow these quick solutions. Open the phone app, select contacts. Now tap on My Card. Tap on Contact Photo and Poster. And here make sure to enable name and photo sharing option. You can change your name by tapping on Name. Then Share automatically. Select here Contacts Only. Now tap on Edit. And here you will get bunch of different card template. You can select any of them. You can also customize any template by tapping on Customize, but we are going to create a new card. So tap on this plus icon, and now you can choose your poster from photos, memoji and monogram. First of all, let's add a photo poster. So select the photo. Now pinch your two fingers to zoom in and zoom out the photo. And now tap on this name icon. You can change the font type. You can also change the font color from here. Now, to add filter to the poster photo, you can simply do this, like you can swipe to the left side to add filter. Now tap on this three dot and you can add a depth effect to the photo from here. Tap on Done. Tap on Continue. Tap on Continue. So that's how we can make a card using photo. Now let's make a card using memoji. So again tap on Edit. So we are going to create a new poster here, and now I'm selecting memoji and select a memoji from this list. You can tap on this plus icon to customize your memoji from here. So this is how we can make a card using memoji. Now let's make a card using monogram. So here's I'm selecting monogram. You can change background color. Tap on Done. And once you created your poster card, now you can select any of them. Just tap on the card that you want to activate. So that's how we can set up my card in contacts on iPhone iOS 17. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.